What's up friends, welcome to my channel. OPPO is introducing the Reno 15 series with the addition of the Pro model. The Reno 15 Pro comes with one of the powerful Dimensity 8450 chipset. This time the OPPO Reno 15 Pro is going to be packed with a 6300 mAh battery. It will support the fast charging of 80 watts. This OPPO Reno 15 Pro will be OLED touchscreen display with a massive 6.78 inches screen size. The new OPPO Reno 15 Pro will break the records with its massive triple 200 megapixel, 50 megapixel and 50 megapixel sensors. There will be 12 and 16 GB of RAM with 256, 512 GB and 1 TB of internal memory. Phone will run on Android 16 operating system. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.